Admission to IIT and NIT. Getting admission to IITs and NITs in India is a highly competitive and challenging process. Here are the general steps to follow. JEE Main is a national-level entrance exam conducted by the National Testing Agency, NTA. The exam is conducted twice a year, in January and April. Step 2. Qualify for JEE. Advanced. Based on your JEE Main score, you need to qualify for JEE Advanced. JEE Advanced is the second stage of the entrance exam, and only the top 2.5 lakh candidates from JEE Main are eligible to appear for this exam. It is also a computer-based exam that tests your knowledge in physics, chemistry, and mathematics. Step 3. Rank in JEE. Advanced. Your JEE Advanced rank will be determined based on your performance in the exam. The rank will be used to determine your eligibility for admission to IITs and NITs. Step 4. Apply for counseling. Once you have qualified for JEE Advanced and obtained a rank, you need to apply for counseling through the Joint Seat Allocation Authority, JOSAA. JOSAA is responsible for the joint seat allocation process for IITs, NITs, IITs, and other participating institutions. Step 5. Choose your college and branch. During the counseling process, you will have to choose your preferred college and branch. The seats will be allotted based on your JEE Advanced rank and your choice of college and branch. Step 6. Accept the seat and pay fees. If you are allotted a seat, you need to accept it and pay the fees to secure your admission. Overall, getting admission to IITs and NITs requires hard work, dedication, and a good score in the JEE exams. It is also essential to keep track of the admission process and follow the instructions carefully.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far.